Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that we found online, the SUIN Dry Erase Markers. We've added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what these markers are all about. The SUIN Dry Erase Markers come in a pack of 36 and feature an assortment of vibrant colors including black, green, red, blue, and purple. This variety not only allows for expressive writing and drawing but also ensures that you have plenty of options to choose from, whether you're working on a group project or simply jotting down notes. One of the standout features of these markers is their chisel tip design. This design gives you the flexibility to create broad, medium, or fine lines, depending on your needs. Whether you're writing headings that need to stand out or creating detailed illustrations, the chisel tip allows for precise control. This versatility is particularly beneficial for teachers, artists, and professionals who require different line thicknesses for their work. Another notable aspect is the low odor formula of the markers. Many dry erase markers can have a strong chemical smell that can be overwhelming, especially in enclosed spaces. SUIN has addressed this issue by creating markers that are comfortable to use, making them ideal for sensitive individuals or classrooms where students might be affected by strong odors. When it comes to usability, these markers are exceptionally easy to work with. You can effortlessly wipe away the ink from your whiteboard, leaving no residue behind. This is crucial for keeping your workspace clean and tidy, allowing you to focus on your tasks without the distraction of lingering marks. It's a simple yet effective feature that enhances the overall experience of using these markers. So, who are these markers suitable for? The answer is quite broad. They are perfect for students who are looking for reliable markers for note-taking and studying. Teachers will find them invaluable for classroom presentations and engaging lessons. Office workers can use them for brainstorming sessions and project planning on whiteboards. Additionally, artists might appreciate the vibrant colors for sketching and planning out their creative endeavors. The versatility of these markers means they can be used in a variety of settings, whether it's home, school, or the workplace. Let's explore some practical use cases. If you're a teacher, imagine using these markers during a lesson to highlight important points on the board or to facilitate group discussions. For students, using these markers to create colorful study guides can make the learning experience more enjoyable and effective. In an office setting, you might use them during meetings to jot down key ideas or action items that can be easily wiped away when the session is over. And for those who enjoy art, these markers can be used to create dynamic illustrations on a whiteboard, offering a temporary canvas that can be changed as your ideas evolve. In conclusion, the SUIN Dry Erase Markers are a great addition to anyone's toolkit, offering a blend of functionality, versatility, and comfort. With their chisel tip design, low odor formula, and vibrant color assortment, they are well suited for a wide range of applications, from teaching and learning to professional settings and creative projects. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.